Hey everyone, I'm Dr. Matt Pennetti. Welcome to our office. This is Prime Chiropractic, and I get a lot of compliments on it. Unfortunately, I can't accept most of them because they're about the design and the look of the office, and my wife, Dr. Lauren, did most of that. But I still want to give you guys a tour, show you guys around, let you guys see what it is that you can expect when you set foot in here. This over here is where you'll find yourself when you first come into our office. It's where we'll have you fill out any paperwork that we need before you get started. Up at the front, that's where Sharon's typically sitting. She's not here right now, but that's where she does her work, so you'll meet her, you'll be greeted by her when you come in. Follow me over here. I'm going to show you guys where we do our wobble discs. Wobble discs are really important because of the multifidi muscles. The multifidi muscles are these tiny little muscles that are attached to your spine. When they are weak, the muscle, or the spine rather, shifts, and that's a problem, because that's when the problems really begin. The wobble discs help us to strengthen those multifidi muscles and keep everything in a better position. So that's what we're going to be doing in here. Behind that, you'll see our wall of fame that's ever growing. That's all the cool stories and cases that we've seen come through here. Follow me on back. I'm going to take you to our area where we do all of our neurostructural corrections. So all of our work is done in here, and we use specific tables that allow us to make corrections very specifically, but also very gently. There's not a lot of force that happens in this office. You're not going to hear a lot of popping noises. That's more traditional chiropractic, and what we're doing is neurostructural chiropractic. Follow me on through here. I want to give you guys an idea of what our consultation room looks like. This is where we review cases with people, figure out their goals for the present and for the future, and then we go over any results that we get from our testing. Speaking of testing, let me show you that. So let's go down to our examination area. Our examinations are very detailed. We look at a lot of different factors, but it's all objective based. So let me show you what that looks like. We've got a bunch of different tests. Almost all of them are computerized. Not that I don't trust myself, I do, but I'm biased. I'm human, and I only have the use of my 5 senses. Our computers can do a lot of cool stuff in terms of analyzing how hard your muscles are firing or not firing, measuring balance, postural testing, a lot of different other things that we use. So that's our examination area. Now let me take you to our structural radiograph room. Follow me in here. Okay, down here is our structural radiography suite. So in here is where we take any kind of x-rays that are necessary. Mostly we're looking at the cervical spine and the lumbar spine, so your neck and your low back. Because if we've got any problems in either ends of the spine, then we're guaranteed to have trouble elsewhere. And that's ultimately where we're going to look. So that's a tour of the office. It gives you a little bit of an idea, an outlay of what we're doing in here and what it looks like. If you're sitting at home watching this video thinking, you know, this looks like something I need to look into or try out, then I encourage you to click the link below, fill out your name, your phone number, and your email, and we'll reach out to you as soon as we can to get you set up. Come in, talk to us, let's see what's going on and what you've been dealing with. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope to see you soon.